Hi everyone. I, Atishay Gupta, along with other three team members, have developed a mini project titled Toll Management System using RFID. RFID. What is RFID? It's a radio frequency identification. It's a dedicated short range communication technology which is used to describe various technologies that use radio waves to automatically identify people or objects. The components used in this technology are a tag or a transponder with internal antenna circuitry, a reader to read the tag details, and a host computer. One such application involved using RFID is toll management system, or also known as electronic toll collection. At present, whenever a layman thinks of toll plazas, he imagines long queues and congestion, increasing traffic, and the lack of toll system capable of handling heavy traffic load are the main drivers behind the creation of this image. As a solution, an electronic toll collection system or toll management system is proposed that involves non-stop tax collection. Our system involves firstly issuing a tag to a vehicle, which should be an authenticated one. Before you start the application, make sure that the reader is connected to the host computer. As you have seen that the reader wasn't connected, so it displayed a message, no communication ports available in the system. So please connect the reader first. Now the reader is connected. Beginning with the application, first issue the tag to an authorized vehicle. In order to know whether the vehicle is issued to authorized person, first get the details from the RTA office, which he or she has registered his vehicle. Take the RC book or the license plate from the person who wants the tag for the highway system. Read the vehicle number and enter the vehicle number in the space provided. When I click Get Details button, online details of the vehicle appear on the screen. These details are to be authenticated by the RTA office. The required amount which he or she insists is entered in the text box. For example, 180 rupees. Now the tag is issued to the person for the particular vehicle number. When the person is interested to use the toll tag and go somewhere, he arrives at toll. He or she should possess the tag with him in order to cross the highway toll. When he arrives at the toll station, he gives the toll tag to the person sitting over there at the station. Now, in order to get the details of the tag, I click Get Details. Immediately, I come to know that he has a sufficient balance in order to cross the toll. The required destination is fetched from the user or the user of the toll highway. For example, if he insists to go to Guntur, the particular cost is 30 rupees. Now we have to cross check whether the balance is sufficient in order to use the highway. As you can see, 933 rupees is much more sufficient in order to use the toll highway. Now I click allow. Details updated message is popped up. It means the vehicle details have been updated, the time of entry and the date of entry when he has crossed the toll. In order to see whether the person has crossed at what time and when, I use the module called as datewise or a vehicle wise. If the person wants to see the vehicle wise details, we come to the module vehicle wise. I enter a particular vehicle which I want to see the details. Immediately I get the details such as the tag ID, which is a unique tag ID given to the person. There's a toll tag, the username, his phone number, and the details when he has crossed this particular toll system. If I want to see more details, I click on view more details. Immediately I get the details which are the authorized one from the RTA office. Now, if we want to see as per the date wise, we enter the date wise module. I enter a date, for example, 14th of July. As you can see, all the vehicles which have crossed the toll, the details are here. The time of entry, the source where they have started from, and where they are heading to. Now, if the person in charge wants to see the details of a single particular vehicle, I click on View More Details. From the above mentioned table, you can just enter the vehicle number whose details you want to see. Those details contain all the details of his name, phone number, address, and all the authorized other details from the RTO office. For example, the last but one vehicle number is being entered over here. I get the vehicle number, the car type, which is the four-wheeler, vehicle name, the model number, engine number, owner's number, address, and phone number. Immediately, I can track the person where he is, or any theft management can also be done using this module. For example, if the person in charge who is using the toll gate sees that the balance is insufficient, immediately I can recharge the amount with by clicking the recharge module. I can enter an amount. Before entering the amount, I should get the reader connected with the tag to the host computer. So I click get details. For example, if the balance is insufficient for him to cross the toll, then immediately I go to recharge. Now I can see that I can enter an amount which is set by the user. For example, 500 rupees. When I click OK, your account has been successfully credited is the message. As you can see, the account has been updated with the 500 rupees plus 903. Now the person can cross the toll easily. This is the application. Thank you.